Ugh. It's 6:25. I've been up since like 4:30. I went to bed. I literally just like laid, like when I got done with my computer stuff, I literally just laid down on my back in bed. And then I woke up at 4:30 in the same position. Like, it was hardcore snowing. That's what I had for dinner. Kept periodically taking pictures of like the amount of snow on the ground. It is quite a winter wonderland out here. I'm gonna have a fun time getting back to the airport in my rental car. We literally just have been taking Ubers to and from the hotel. That's this morning's breakfast and coffee. And I think I might bring a bagel, but I don't have anything to bring it in. My eyes red. Well, they're not too bad today. Look at that. Okay. Look at me taking care of myself, or at least trying to. Here we go.
Me the gears about canceling some shifts 3 days in a row. I can't approve it ahead of time. I'm like, I'll just call in. I don't care. As soon as you run out of them, if you're sick or you need the day off for whatever reason,
Yeah, okay. I know, right?
apparently he's only working across the street.
Right? So far, it's okay. We're good.
And I'm like, honey, there's no chance. We're not doing flop.
Gosh. Very cold outside. I am so exhausted. It's like, it makes me want to throw up. That's how exhausted I am. My eyes hurt. And every time I blink, it's like I'm blinking shattered glass. I'm like trying to like work as fast as possible so that I could get to bed, get any type of sleep in my system. But like I also need to like shower and all this stuff. And I have another full day of this. Till I can make a living through YouTube, doing stuff like this. This is what it is right here. Okay, so I took a shower and it's almost complete. So I can start the uploading. And you know, I'm getting up every morning at like 4:30, going to bed at like, what? It's like 10 right now, which means it's 12 a.m. at home. I'm gonna go to bed. Tired. Okay, so I got up. I got up at like 5:30. It's 5:47. I put some eye mask on because my eyes are just so messed up. It's not even funny. I'm gonna get some coffee and probably eat a bagel, but I need to drink water because I'm like so dehydrated. It's not even funny. Right, so I called Haley and everything. So I'm probably gonna go to breakfast because I get like a $25 breakfast credit. I don't know if it's once or whatever, but I'm using it today, okay? And there's only one thing that I could eat on the menu. And it's like this vegan thing. I don't know, but we're gonna go check it out. See, it starts at 6:30, and I don't know what time it's, like 6:25 or something. So we're gonna get ready and go down there. I think they said that the M floor had, yeah, the restaurant. It opens at 7. So now I just have to wait until 7 to get food. Okay, round 2 of try and get food. Breakfast was good, but like that little thing was like 20 bucks. So, was it worth it? Probably not, but I didn't pay for it, so. Back to the room we go for the last full day of competitions. I was just thinking about this today at breakfast. Like I have such a cool life. I have a good life. It's very tiring, but it's very interesting and it's very cool. I'm very lucky. But I also think that my life got cool because I moved out of my hometown, and that's when like my life started to blossom, right? I started going to, you know, different places, experiment with different things, and like really did it for me in terms of like having a cool life. Like that's what kickstarted it, was going out and like living it, living the worst of it and also the best of it. And so I think that's when, you know, my life started getting cool, and like I'm content with where I'm at right now and how I've been living it since I left North Carolina. It's because I decided to pull the trigger, stop being scared, take the risk, and move out and go do stuff. I encourage you guys to, if you haven't already yet, go do something drastic. Take the risk, because in the long run, it's going to be super beneficial to you either way, because you're gonna learn from whatever you go through. So just take the risk, honestly.
I had a sandwich and a salad the other day when I first got to the hotel, and it was $35 with a tip. I'm like, that's a lot of money for a sandwich.
Made it to lunch. So exhausted, but the next part is groups, so I'll just like leave it wide and I get to have a break, which is nice. We're at like 3 o'clock right now, so we have another session till dinner, and then after dinner we're done. Well, after dinner session, and then we're done for the day. So halfway there. Okay, so we are officially halfway through the competition in entry numbers, so that's good. Guess who is exhausted? Me. I'm so exhausted. Can you see how red my eyes are? Oh my god, my eyes are on fire. The first thing that I'm gonna be doing is getting these computers up. It takes the longest to like connect it to the Wi-Fi, because it has to connect every single time to the Wi-Fi. Fingers crossed tonight. Today was the longest day of my life. Like, you have no idea how comfy this bed feels. They give us Starbucks in the middle of the day. So nice. Like, the most wonderful people, Canadians, I swear. This competition is just so nice. And it really does help. Like, coffee in the middle of the day, when you absolutely feel like trash, like, it's life-changing. Regardless if it's Starbucks or if it's Folders. This coffee saves lives. I don't even know how to describe how exhausted I feel right now. Speaking of which, I need to put face lotion on because my face is literally like so tight. I also just need to go to bed because I'm just gonna be rambling on about whatever. I don't know.